Hi guys, welcome to my channel One Data Byte. Without any delay, let me introduce myself. I am Niladri, a data professional with more than 4.5 years of experience, specializing in data engineering, data analytics, and data science. These are my certifications. These certifications are proof of my skills of creating robust, reliable, flexible, and scalable data pipelines across the systems. Let me introduce my channel. I have worked for different clients on various data domains. On this channel, I will share those insights, tutorials, and practical knowledge based on my expertise in data and its various workloads, along with different data services. This is my first course I am posting on YouTube. The course name is Data Engineering with Databricks. The course structure will follow this flow. First, I will explain Python programming concepts. Then I will explain Apache Spark functionalities along with Delta Lake capabilities. In the end, I will explain data engineering features of Databricks. If you are new in these technologies and data engineering domain, don't worry, you are at correct place. I'll explain each step from basic to advanced level. Like for Python, I'll start explaining from core programming concepts. Then I'll explain OOPS concepts. Then I'll demonstrate internal and external Python modules and packages. Those are important for data engineering domain. Also, I will explain how to create own modules and packages in Python. Our next step, I'll explain batch and stream data processing concepts using Apache Spark and Delta Lake. In the end, I'll explain Databricks features to create end-to-end data pipelines using Databricks. On next video, I'll guide you to register and log in into Databricks free edition so that we can start our journey for data engineering with Databricks.